First of all, launch the latest Blender version. Delete these guys and import the Blender logo as a plane. Set up your scene. Go to the shading workspace and get rid of this big boy and connect the color into the surface. Switch to Eevee and change the samples to 5. It's more than enough. Okay, let's have a look at it. The colors look awful. To fix this, enable standard. And now the colors are correct. Let's create the spinning circle. Add the gradient texture and change it to spherical. To make this more pleasing to the eye, change the texture coordinate to object. Make this circle flat with a math node and change it to greater than. You can resize it with this threshold. Mix the circle with the logo. Change it to add. Reposition the circle and make it blue. Erase the circle from the logo and import it to Blender. Find the best place for that blue thing and make it spin with the vector rotate node. This node has started its career in the 2.83 release. Set a small amount of value for short rounds. If you change the angle, it's rotating around. Make a timeline here and keyframe the rotation of the circle. Go to the first frame and hit I over the angle. Go to the last frame and change the rotation angle to 360 and hit I. Change the keyframe interpolation to linear for even spinning speed. Set the frame rate to 60 FPS for smoother animation. To make it looping, set the start frame to 2. Let's make the background transparent. The logo's background still black. To fix this, add the mix shader and the transparent shader. Connect the alpha to the factor. The background is gone, as well as the circle. Add the math node here and change it to add. Connect this here and the circle is back from the grave. Okay, let's save this animation. Change the file format to FFmpeg video and change the video codec to YUV. And most importantly, change the color to RGBA. A stands for alpha, and we want to save the transparent data of this animation as well. If you're a Mac user, you can change the encoding to QuickTime and the video codec to Qt animation. Windows doesn't support this file format. Now hit Ctrl F12 to render this animation.